Assalamu alaikum dear students. Our today's topic is diagrammatic presentation of data. See, data may be presented in a simple and attractive manner in the form of diagrams. Diagrammatic diagrammatic presentation is broadly classified as of three types. Geometric form, including bar diagrams and pie diagrams. Second is frequency diagrams, including histogram, polygon, and ogive. And third one is arithmetic line graphs or time series graphs. See, this chart shows different types of diagrammatic presentation. Now, first one is geometric form, bar diagrams, pie diagrams. Second one, frequency diagrams, histogram, polygon, ogive. Third is arithmetic line graphs or time series. Now, first, let us discuss geometric form. First one is bar diagrams. See, bar diagrams are those diagrams in which data are presented in the form of bars or rectangles. So bar diagrams are those diagrams in which those diagrams in which data are present in the form of bars or rectangles, and bars are also called columns. Bars are also called columns. Now, bar and its features. You see, bar usually means a rectangle or some rectangular form. It shows some value of the variable. It shows some value of the variable, and its features are number one, we can say that the length or height of the bars differs according to different values of the variable. It differs according to different values of the variable. That is, length may be more or less, but breadth remains the same. So the length or height of the bars differs according to different values of the variable. That is, length may be more or less, but breadth remains the same. Second one is bars may be either vertical or horizontal. Bars may be either vertical or horizontal. However, usually these are used in their vertical form. These are used in their vertical form. And the third one is bars are equidistant from each other. Bars are equidistant from each other. Now, fourth one is all bars are based on some common baseline. All bars are based on some common base line. And the fifth one is unless data assumes some specific ordering, these should be presented to form bars of the ascending or descending order. So these should be presented to form the bars of the ascending or descending order. And the sixth one is to make the bars attractive. These may be shaded with different colors. So to make the bars attractive, these may be shaded with different colors. Now, these are the bars. This is what we have learned today. What's bar, and also its features, bar and its features, and what's bar diagram, right? Now, in our next topic, we'll discuss the types of bar diagrams. Thank you very much.